Tired of switching between your computer and warehouse shelves? Now you can pick items directly with the BigSeller app. This lets you easily pick from storage shelves and move items to the picking shelf. Fast, simple, and efficient. Let's see how it works. First, you need to go Restock Storage page to generate restock data. Here you can manually generate one. Then, you need to assign the replenish task to your staff. Before you assign, you need to ensure every operator owns its sub-account. Then task will in to picking and adding on shelf status. Here you need to use our app for operation. Find Restock and select Warehouse. Go to Claim the Restock task. Pick items. After you pick all items, you can do on shelf. Here in this page, you can also check picking progress or end picking. Here you can select your picking and on-shelf mode. After you finish on-shelf progress, you can check all your completed tasks on the computer. It's very simple, right? If you have any questions, please contact us.